Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a pharmacy item using the pharmacy portal. Immediately you log in, the next thing you do is go to pharmacy. From pharmacy, you would locate pharmacy control page. When you click on pharmacy control page, it takes you to a page where you have the last drug item that has been created. So now I'm on pharmacy control page. I make sure I click on my dispensary and it reloads the page for me. And the next thing I do, I click on new item. When I click on new item, it brings out 4 different selections or parameters that I need to fill. Generic, brand, class, and manufacturer, all are required. So what is the generic of the drug I want to create now? Let's say I want to create artemether lumefantrine. Alright, then what brand? I'm using Nectarine. Then what class is this? Make sure you collect the right class before imputing this information. So let me say the class I'm putting for this is analgesic. In case a drug item has more than one class, you can as well add several classes to the same drug. So I can now add my manufacturer. Here I'll be using let's say Fitzin. I'll click on Fitzin and I would save my new combination and click OK. Alright, so now I've saved my combination, but it doesn't end there. Now I need to create what we call formulation. Now what we just did here was for us to have a particular a pack of drug, but now nothing is inside the drug. We haven't explained or tell the system what we want the drug to look like. So what we're going to do is we'll click on add formulation. It's going to bring up a new page, and under this page you would see form. So let's say our artemether lumefantrine, we want it to be an injection. So I click on injection, or maybe want it to be a tablet. So I click on tablet. Then how do we want this tablet to be administered? That's definitely oral. You cannot inject a tablet. But if it's for injection, you can either use intramuscular, intravenous, and so on. So for this one, we'll be using oral. So the next thing is, what is the strength of this drug? So our strength is 500 milligram. So there are cases whereby you have a drug that has a slash by the side and another strength. You cannot put symbols into the formulation, so you pick on the higher strength and impute here. Then make sure at the generic you write out the strength correctly. So the presentation volume, we're going to be presenting per word per tablet, and it's going to be there, let's say 500 milligram per tablet. So 1 tablet for 500 milligram. So we can now add our price in and our price out. In case you are not using this drug, or this drug is out of stock, so you can always suspend by clicking on this. But we aren't suspending this, we're just creating. So our price in here might be 300 and our price out would be 500, depending on what you want to sell it for. So the next thing that is our concern is reorder level. What level do you want the drug to be before you ask for reorder? Maybe for this we want 500, and we can now impute our order. Expiring month, maybe July 2023. And all this information helps the pharmacy portal to be able to trigger when the drug is about to expire, or when the drug is close to finish, or when it has even expired, or when reorder level is required. So the next one is how you can now impute your drug item. I will show you in the next video. Thank you for watching.